Have you lost your mind? I mean, how is it that you can disrespect a man's ethnicity when you know we've influenced nearly every facet of white America, from our music to our style of dress, not to mention your basic imitation of our sense of cool, walk, talk, dress, mannerisms? We enrich your very existence, all the while contributing to the gross national product through our achievements in corporate America. It's these conceits that comfort me when I'm faced with the ignorant, cowardly, bitter, and bigoted, who have no talent, no guts. People like you who desecrate things they don't understand, when the truth is you should say, thank you, man, and go on about your way. But apparently, you're incapable of doing that. So, Taboo! My bad, y'all. Racial epithets. Why does it always come down to that? Makes me sad for my daughter. Nick.